This video explains how to buy shares of Gold Royalty Corp. Gold Royalty Corp is a mining royalty company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GROY, and this guide is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GROY. Select the Gold Royalty Corp listing to make sure you choose the correct stock. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the listing matches Gold Royalty Corp before proceeding to an order. Click Investor Trade, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order will be queued or executed according to the order type, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order completes. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform.